So for dessert, I'm going to make an apple cake tatin, which is a very simple version of a French apple tatin. So first I'm going to make caramel, which is a cup of sugar, a third of a cup of water, and I'm just going to cook it. I need a candy thermometer to make sure I don't overcook it, until it's sort of brown and caramelized, about 360 degrees on a candy thermometer. Excellent. Okay, the next thing is the apples. So just cut the apples, cut out the core, and cut them in wedges. And I think for this, probably 3 wedges, so you'll have 12 wedges per apple. Okay, just take the apples and put them in a greased pan. A glass 9-inch pie pan is perfect. You can find one in the hardware store. And just run the apples around the outside. And then when you turn it over, all those caramelized apples are going to show. It's going to be great. You want to get them in tight. Okay, now for the gorgeous syrup. Smell it, smells great. I'm just going to pour it right over the apples. Now I'm going to make a sour cream cake dough on top and bake the whole thing together. It's going to be so good. So it's a really simple cake. 6 tablespoons of butter, 3/4 of a cup of sugar. Just cream that together. 2 eggs. Okay, next ingredients are 1/3 of a cup of sour cream. Okay, 1/2 teaspoon of lemon zest. 1/2 teaspoon of good vanilla extract. And mix it all up. So now for the dry ingredients. I need a cup plus 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. I need a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm just going to sift these all together. And that way, if there's a little piece of flour or something in the bottom, you can either sieve it or just take it out. So make sure that you really have smooth, dry ingredients. So with the mixer on low, I'm just going to slowly add the dry ingredients. Okay, now just take the batter and just spread it out over the apples and the caramel. And it's going to be puffed and golden and just gorgeous when you turn it out upside down. Spread it out smoothly on top of the caramel and the apples. And then I'm going to bake it 350 degrees for about 30 to 40 minutes until the cake is done and a cake tester comes out clean. So this is the hard part, is turning it out. It's caramelized apples on the bottom and a nice light cake on the top. So wish me luck. Oh, look how great that looks. Wow. So you just have to loosen it a little bit. And I think I did it. Wow, that's really great. Okay, and a little bit of powdered sugar on the top. And I think that's perfect for housewarming at Valerie's house.